Mom, can we make caprese sandwiches?
Ooh, that sounds so good. Let's do it.
The Walmart Plus Meal and Plan Challenge has been so fun, and it's been so easy to use our Walmart Plus membership for free same-day delivery. Plus, being a busy mom of 3, it's such a no-brainer and so convenient. I love that I can order all of the fresh produce and the quality ingredients I need for this recipe. I'm cutting the baguette and adding some pesto. On a hot pan, we're gonna toast the baguette. I'm cutting up some basil, mozzarella cheese, and tomatoes. And now to assemble our sandwich, I'm adding our tomatoes, our basil, and the mozzarella cheese. And I'm gonna torch the mozzarella cheese. Lastly, I'm gonna drizzle our sandwich with a little balsamic glaze. And that's it, ta-da! Looks so good.
Let's try it.
Cheers.
We've gotten to eat such fun things. We want to pass on the good meals. I'm challenging Seth to the Walmart Plus Meal and Plan Challenge. I can't wait to see what you and Sailor make.